Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Guy Hub. So today, if you are wondering how to get a temporary email to sign up for a particular website or for verification purpose, then this video is for you. So sometimes you want to get an email to sign up to maybe a particular website you don't trust. So if you don't trust a particular website and you are thinking of using an email that may be temporary, you don't want to use your original email, then this video is for you. So go to Google and search for temp mail. Temp mail. So search for temp mail. Select the first website. The first website, that's tempmail.org. Okay, so with this website, you need no sign in or whatever. So when you open the website will give you a temporary email that you can use. So realizing here, I've been given a temporary email. So this is the temporary email. So you can just copy the email, and the email is copied. If you scroll down, you realize in here the inbox is empty. So this is where you'll be receiving your messages and everything that will be sent to this email. So you'll be receiving everything in here. And if the message is not in yet, you can tap on the refresh tab and your message will be in. And if you also want to change the email address, you can just tap on the delete address, and the website will automatically give you a new address. So that's it. So that's how simple and easy it is to get a temporary email for your signups and everything. Yeah, so if you love this video and you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.